Today, I'm going to be reviewing ZOOFOX 100-pack ice bags. I'd like to thank them for sending this to me to review. Let's open up these 2 mil ice bags and see what we got. All right, here you go. Here are the bags. You get 2 little bundles, 50 each. I'm just going to open up one so we can take a look at what those look like here. These are 2 mil 10-pound bags. They're reusable. This is what it looks like. And not only is it reusable, it's got this drawstring on it so you can tighten it up when you have it. Why would you want this? Well, if you ever go get ice, you can fill these up. Maybe you bring it to your house and fill these up before you go on a trip. Like I said, these are 2 mils, so it's a good size. It's not going to rip. In addition to being a bag, this is freezer safe, food safe, reusable, tie handle, leak resistant, and most importantly, BPA free. Now, these don't have that many reviews. It does get 5 stars, which I like to see, but with 13 reviews, we don't know much about it. I do know this is a new item, and I don't think you're going to have any issues with it. Not a bad deal for 100 of these bags. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.